Good morning, students. Today in chapter 3, we take a topic how to find the value of k if the solution SOLE means system of linear equation. A pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution. Taking first question, for what value of k system of linear equation has unique solution? The equation for unique solution is this, no solution, the equation is this, and infinite many solution this. So one by one we solve these equations. Taking the first part, as the system of equation has unique solution. What is the condition for unique solution? Condition for unique solution, it was a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. Put the values. The coefficient of x is called a1, that is 2k. a2, the coefficient of in second equation x is called a2, not equal to b1 is 3, and b2 there is nothing is given, so I consider it 1. Now cross 2 is to cancel, cross multiplying k not equal to 3. It means hence system of linear equation has unique solution for all real values of k एक्सेप्ट 3, यानी 3 की वैल्यू k की वैल्यू 3 नहीं होगी, उसके अलावा जितने भी रियल वैल्यूज़ होंगी k की वो सब एक्सेप्टेबल है, उन्हें अगर हम यहाँ रखें तो यूनिक सॉल्यूशन की कंडीशन आ जाएगी. Now in second part, no solution. What is the condition for no solution? Condition for no solution, it was a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Put the values. a1 is 3, b1 is 1, c1 is 1, a2 is 2k minus 1. यहाँ x नहीं लेना होता, a2 में x नहीं लेते. b2 is k minus 1 and c2 is 2k plus 1. 3 upon 2k minus 1, 1 upon k minus 1 not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. First I am multiplying these two terms, cross multiply. So this is 3 k minus 1, 1 2k minus 1. This is 3k minus 3, this is 2k minus 1. Take variable same side, 3k minus 2k minus 1 plus 3. 3k minus 2k is k, 3 minus 1 2. Case second, in cross multiplying this we get 2k plus 1 not equal to k minus 1. So 2k minus k not equal to minus 1 minus 1. This is k not equal to minus 2. So we get the value of k equal to 2, for which the condition is no solution. At last we write hence k equal to 2, for which system of linear equation has unique solution. Now in question number 3, third part, infinite many solution. What is the condition for infinite solution? It is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Again we are taking a1 is 2, a2 is k plus 2, b1 is 3, b2 is 6, c1 is 4 and c2 is 3k plus 2. These two can cancel. Now we are case first. केस फर्स्ट में पहले इन दोनों को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. k प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 2 टू जा 4, k प्लस 2 1 जा k प्लस 2, 2 टू जा 4. So k equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Therefore k की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 2. Now case second. In case second we are taking these two. Now on cross multiplying, 3k plus 2 into 1 is 3k plus 2. 2 into 4, that is 8. 3k equal to 8 minus 2. 3k equal to 6, so k equal to 2. In both cases we find the value of k equal to 2. So k equal to 2 is for which system of linear equation has infinite many solution. So students, we learn how to find the value of k for which the system of linear equation infinite solution, no solution, infinite many solution. Now I am giving you some questions, so you can do these questions in your fair copy. After completing whole topics of chapter 3, then we start NCERT book. Till now, whatever question I will give you, you can do these questions in your fair copy.